Father Jet, kasi hindi ko pa siya masyadong kilala, pero sana yung magandang nagawa ni Father Ben Nebres, hanggat maaari yung maraming project niya mahigitan pa ni Father Jet. Taos puso namin siyang tinatanggap bagong presidente.
Father Jet Villarin, sana po'y gayahin kayo, Father Ben, Father Jet Villarin, o kaya lagpasan pa nyo ang kanyang haba na serbisyo.
Sa bagong darating ay patuloy rin po siguro yung kanyang nasimulan ay maipagpatuloy ng papalit sa kanya. Father Jose Ramon Villarin.
Message niyo po para sa kanya. Ayun siya uupo na sa...
Ano po ma'am? Sige, pag nakikita kami, Father, good morning. Diretso lang. Yun naman ang kaya ko.
Father Jet, siguro yung ano din po yung sinimulan ni Father Ben, yun din po yung mapagpatuloy ni Father Ben.
Dear Father Jet, welcome to Ateneo and I hope we'll have a good time. Yeah. Thank you.
Father Jet naman po.
Kay Father naman, I wish him the best para sa kanyang pagmamalang sa Ateneo. Magawa nakikita na magampayaman niya na gusto balik pa yung malampasan na ginawa ni Father Ben.
Thank you.
And for Father Jet, it's a warm welcome, of course, to a man at the same light has been an inspiration to each one of us in Manila Observatory. We wish you well and we wish you all the best in the next years of a very challenging Ateneo STEAM. Welcome, Father Jet. We always wish the best for you.
Welcome, Father Jet. Masaya ako na nandito ka na sa Ateneo de Manila. Kita-kita tayo.
Hello, Father Jet. I'm not sure if you know me. I'm Josie Martinez of the grade school. So welcome. Warm welcome to you. I've seen you in our college years when you were still at the ASU president. I was like second year then. So see you and welcome. We'll be working with you. Thank you.
Bago na yung hindi pa namin kasi namimit yun.
Pero ano pong wish niyo po sa kanya?
Sana makikita niyo yung ginawa ni Father Nebres sa atin ngayon.
Okay.
Kay Father Jet, I think nakasama ko siya sa observatory kasi madali din siyang lapitan. I think maunawaan din niya ang lagay ng mga empleyado natin dito sa Kasalukuyan. At hope na gagawa pa rin siya ng lahat ng parang para ma-improve at maging makasama tayo sa World Class University. Hope na doon tayo patungo ngayon malinya tayo doon. Kaya kay Father Jet, welcome at hope na makita namin kung gaano munad ang university during sa third year. Maraming salamat.
We are from ACFJ and on behalf of our Executive Director, we welcome you to Ateneo de Manila. Ladies, we are here to support you 100%. Thank you.
Hi, Father Jet. Good luck on your new position and welcome to Ateneo dito sa Manila.
Welcome, Father Jet.
And Father Jet, welcome to the Ateneo. I'm Banji of the HR office.
Father, welcome po. Masaya kami sa pagdating mo sa amin dito sa Ateneo.
Father Jet, welcome aboard. And we will be your left and right hands. So we hope that we will be able to adjust to your style and we hope that you will also be able to adjust to us. We look forward to working with you, Father Jet. Welcome aboard.
Okay.